All right, so I'm gonna do the last layer of the cookies. Can you come up closer, please? All right, this is the last layer. So in total, there is 3 layers of graham crackers, 2 layers of the vanilla pudding. So, and when you use this kind of pan, that's all you need. And I just use 1 box of the honey made graham crackers. So it's 1 box that I've used. That's all you need. All right. So now that I'm just gonna fill in that part. All right. Just filling in the edges. That's what I'm doing now, guys. Filling in the edges. Filling in the boxes. You know. Okay, got that little piece. Just try to squeeze a little bit there so it don't get shortened. All right, so now do this last little corner piece here. Just add that there. So now I'm going to add the chocolate frosting, and it's nice and warm. You know, after I made it, put it on top of the stove, and you want this kind of consistency of the frosting, just because if you have like frosting out of the container and it's thick, it's going to raise the cookies up. So what you want to do is you just want to kind of, you know, drizzle it on there, and then after you do all of that, then you kind of layer and flatten the icing down. But for right now, you just, you know, this is how we're going to do it. So we'll just kind of do it like this. This makes it easier, I find, than doing the other way that I was just doing. So this kind of makes it easier, you guys. Just to bring it all out, and then you kind of, you know, spread it. Alright, so now we can go at it and spread it. Alright, bring that over. So it's coming along the way that I want it to come along. You know, just making something simple and easy can make somebody's day, you know. And, you know, that's what I do. I aim to please. You have to have a heart like that, you know. Do it with love. So once I finish spreading this evenly, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. And tomorrow, this person will have their Eclair cake that they've been asking me for. And they know who they are. Alright, let me just spread this over. Just trying to make sure it looks good as well. That little piece there. Okay. Let's get a little bit more because there we go. That finishing touch. All right, so now that I've got all the chocolate on it, I'm just going to kind of spread it a little bit. There we go. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? And now it's going in the refrigerator. refrigerator for the 4 to 6 hours. Well, you might as well say overnight because I won't be giving this person this till tomorrow. So yeah, nice and pretty. All right, guys, so this is the Eclair cake. Just cleaning it up. Because what did I say earlier? Presentation is everything. All right, so thank you guys for joining my channel. And this is it, the Eclair cake. So nice, simple, no-bake cake that you can enjoy at any time. And like I said, I gave the instructions. I got 2 boxes of the vanilla pudding, 3.5 cups of milk, 8 ounces of whipping topping. You whip that up, mix it up. Once it gets to where it's supposed to be, a yellowish look, then you want to get a square pan, get your graham crackers, layer your graham crackers first, then you put your pudding, then you layer your graham crackers, and then put pudding, and then one more top of graham crackers, and then you put your chocolate frosting, and this is what you get. And then you put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours, and this is the Eclair cake. So thank you guys for watching my channel.